What's up, James?
Man.
Bro, do you have the hiccups?
Yeah, but it's not a problem.
How long have you had them for?
About half an hour now.
Could you puff your cheeks out for me?
Why?
Just puff your cheeks out. We're gonna get rid of those hiccups. Put your tongue up.
That's horrible. What?
What are you talking about? It's just sugar. Watch. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it! Hold it!
What are you guys doing?
Got the hiccups.
What do you mean he's got the hiccups?
You guys are playing games without me?
James has the hiccups.
So you're playing Twister.
Yes, you lose.
And how does that make you feel?
Do I really have to go all the way in?
Yeah, all the way.
It's so cold.
Well, you might have hypothermia, but at least you don't have hiccups anymore.